Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to make your photo story private on Facebook using the new update on PC. If you want to share your photos without them being visible to everyone, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's go ahead and get started. First, open Facebook on your PC. Once you're logged in, go to your homepage, where you'll see the option to create a story. Click on this option to begin. Next, select Create a Photo Story. This option will allow you to upload a photo from your computer and share it as part of your story. Now, choose the photo you want to share by clicking on it, then click Open to upload it to your story. You can pick any photo you'd like to share, whether it's a recent picture or a favorite memory. After your photo is uploaded, you have the option to crop or rotate it to get it just right. Adjust the image as needed until you're happy with how it looks. Next, you'll see a text box on the left side where you can write a caption or message to go along with your photo. You can also choose the font style to make your text stand out. Type in whatever message you'd like to include. Once you're happy with your photo and text, it's time to adjust the privacy settings. Look for the small gear icon in the top right corner and click on it. This will open up the settings for your story. In the settings menu, you'll see an option called Friends. This option will make sure that only people on your friends list can see your photo story. Click on Friends to select this setting. After that, click Save to apply the changes. Finally, click Share to Story, and your photo story will be live, but only visible to your friends. And that's it. Now you know how to make your photo story private on Facebook. It's a great way to control who sees your photos while still sharing with the people you care about. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.